Hey, boys and girls, I'm super excited. We're going to do another counting rhyme today. We are going to do 1, 2, buckle my shoe. You probably already know this poem from maybe your parents have taught it to you or you've heard it in a book, but it's pretty simple. It goes like this: 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. All right, would you do the numbers with me? All right, here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. All right, so this time I want us to do a steady beat when we say it. So we're going to pat. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Awesome. Grab your instruments. You should have some maracas handy. If you don't have any instruments, you can use something like 2 pencils would work, or you could ask your mom if you could borrow some spoons, some wooden spoons, and lightly touch them to play them. But I have a little game for you. I have some number cards here, and I am going to pull a number card at the end of our poem, and we're going to play our instruments that many times. Okay? So I'm going to put them right down here. You can't see them, but they're right in front of me, and I'm going to pull one when we're done with our poem. Okay? All right, back to numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, I'm going to pick a number. Here I go. I'm picking, I picked 8. We're going to do the instruments 8 times. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Put them down. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. I'm going to pick one more number. I pick this one, 4. 4 snowmen. Okay, we're going to play it 4 times. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Way to go, you guys. That was awesome. You did great. All right, I hope you enjoyed the fun game. Take care. We'll see you next time.